To be interested in something. علاقه‌مند بودن. ببین تو الان تو رشته‌ای که داری کار میکنی علاقه داری. You're interested in your major. Major رشته دانشگاهی. Field رشته کاری. Career شغل حرفه و major رشته. میگم what's your major؟ میگی my major is accounting. حسابداری. My major is architecture. معماری. میگم علاقه داری به رشته‌ات. Are you interested in your major? Oh yeah, I'm interested in my major. I wouldn't like it. دوستش نداشتم. But now I'm really interested in my major. I make money. پول در میارم. I'm interested in my major. Interested. To be interested in something. علاقه‌مند بودن. I'm interested in teaching English on YouTube. I'm interested in helping people speak English fluently. راستی رفیق به چی علاقه داری تو زندگیت؟ What are you interested in? What are you interested in? Are you interested in your job? به شغلت علاقه داری؟ Are you interested in your major؟ به رشتت علاقه داری؟ Major. وقتی میپرسن رشتت چیه؟ What is your major? You can say my major is art. هنر. My major is acting. بازیگری. My major is agriculture. کشاورزی. My major is marketing management. مدیریت بازاریابی. This is really great to learn. حالا با to be interested in something برای من 2 تا جمله مثال بزن. I'm interested in. حتما بعد این فعل ing میاد. بعد حروف اضافه after prepositions in, around, about, on, of, off, for, behind, after, without. After all these prepositions we use ing verb. وقتی میگی من دیوونه تدریسم I'm crazy about teaching English. آیا دیوونه شغلتی؟ Are you crazy about your job? Are you really crazy about your job or not? Leave your comments.